Introduction to Computer Architecture. What is computer architecture? Computer is an electronic machine that makes performing any task very easy. In computer, the CPU executes each instruction providing to it, in a series of steps. This series of steps is called machine cycle, and is repeated for each instruction. One machine cycle involves fetching of instruction, decoding the instruction, transferring the data, executing the instruction. Computer system has 5 basic units that help the computer to perform operations, which are given below. Input unit, output unit, storage unit, arithmetic logic unit, control unit. Input unit. Input unit connects the external environment with internal computer system. It provides data and instructions to the computer system. Commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, magnetic tape, etc. Input unit performs following tasks. Accept the data and instructions from the outside environment. Convert it into machine language. Supply the converted data to computer system. Output unit. It connects the internal system of a computer to the external environment. It provides the results of any computation, or instructions to the outside world. Some output devices are printers, monitor, etc. Storage unit. This unit holds the data and instructions. It also stores the intermediate results before these are sent to the output devices. It also stores the data for later use. The storage unit of a computer system can be divided into 2 categories. Primary storage. This memory is used to store the data which is being currently executed. It is used for temporary storage of data. The data is lost when the computer is switched off. RAM is used as primary storage memory. Secondary storage. The secondary memory is slower and cheaper than primary memory. It is used for permanent storage of data. Commonly used secondary memory devices are hard disk, CD, etc. Arithmetic logical unit. All the calculations are performed in ALU of the computer system. The ALU can perform basic operations such as addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. Whenever calculations are required, the control unit transfers the data from storage unit to ALU. When the operations are done, the result is transferred back to the storage unit. Control unit. It controls all other units of the computer. It controls the flow of data and instructions to and from the storage unit to ALU. Thus it is also known as central nervous system of the computer. CPU. It is central processing unit of the computer. The control unit and ALU are together known as CPU. CPU is the brain of computer system. It performs following tasks. It performs all operations. It takes all decisions. It controls all the units of computer. The heart of computer includes. A computer is a complex device containing many subsystems. Each subsystem is a piece of computer hardware, or part of a piece of computer hardware. How these pieces interact is called the computer architecture. The heart of a computer includes CPU, the brain of the computer; motherboard, the spine of the computer; power supply, the stomach of the computer; bus, trucks data around the computer; Clock tells the CPU to start the next instruction. Network card, the cell phone of the computer. Monitor, the face of the computer. Fans, computers can cook food, they are so hot. We must cool them down. Layers. Registers, 1 clock cycle. Primary cache, 1 nanosecond cache primary. Secondary cache, 10 nanoseconds. Fast RAM, 70 nanoseconds or less. Fast disk, 10 milliseconds, 10 million nanoseconds. CD/DVD, 160 milliseconds, 160 million nanoseconds. Memory acronyms you should know. ROM, read-only memory. RAM is memory that is hard-coded from the manufacturer and never changes, such as the instruction to boot up your computer. RAM, random access memory. RAM is the core memory you buy for any machine. It is often sold, today, in 0.5, 1, and 2 gig boards. I/O devices. Graphics card, monitor. Keyboard. Disk drive. Tape backup. CD-ROM. All computer systems are characterized by the same basic elements. This is true of large computers like your laptop as well as small embedded processors like the Microstamp 11. Figure is a block diagram for a generic computer system. This figure shows that a computer consists of a central processing unit, CPU, a clock, memory, and peripheral or input/output I/O devices. All of these subsystems communicate over a CPU bus. In computer engineering, computer architecture is a set of rules and methods that describe the functionality, organization, and implementation of computer systems. Some definitions of architecture define it as describing the capabilities and programming model of a computer but not a particular implementation. In other definitions, computer architecture involves instruction set architecture design, microarchitecture design, logic design, and implementation. Thank you.